Hey there, students. This is Mrs. Mills, and I'm just hopping on here and recording this quick video to wrap up the course and I guess say goodbye. I can't believe that we're already at this point in the course, and I feel really sad even making this video because I know that that means that our semester is coming to an end and that our class is ending and that you guys are going to be moving on to more things. Um, and so I just wanted to first of all thank you guys so much for such an awesome semester. We've had an amazing group of students, and I have loved this semester. I've loved being a learner and a teacher with you as we've journeyed throughout this course, and being able to learn about you and about your experiences has been really an awesome thing for me. So thank you so much for your hard work. Thank you so much for sticking it out and really making this class meaningful. It really has been amazing, and I'm so grateful for such an awesome class like you guys. As we wrap up the course, I just wanted to share a couple quotes with you. This first one is about health specifically, and I'm hoping that you'll be considering how you'll continue learning about health and continuing your improvement of health. This is an Arabian proverb. It says, "He who has health has hope, and he who has hope has everything." And I've come to know that that is true in my life, and I believe you probably have as well. It's funny because we never really think about how our health is a blessing or how our health brings hope to our lives until we're sick, until we come down with a cold or we have an injury or we have a family member who's been really sick, or maybe even you have been sick and in the hospital even maybe. Yeah, I really love being and living a healthy lifestyle, and I hope that you guys will continue to look for ways to live healthy and to help those around you to be healthy and to make good health choices. I think my biggest hope for you guys in this class is that you will have made decisions in this class that will help you in the future, that you can know exactly how you want to be healthy and the choices you want to make, so that when you're faced with a difficult decision regarding your health, you already know what you're going to do. And so as we leave, I hope that you'll be considering that. And then I just have another quote to share with you that is about it's about learning in general. And I hope that you'll continue learning not only about health but about all types of things in your lives. You guys have a great opportunity to take classes in school, and YouTube is an amazing thing. I've learned so many things from YouTube and from um, the internet, and you guys, there's just so many awesome things for you guys to learn, so I hope that you'll continue learning. This quote is from Plutarch. He says, "The mind is not a vessel to be filled but a fire to be kindled." And I just want to challenge you guys to keep kindling your fire, keep kindling your curiosity and your need for to learn and to develop skills and practice those skills. And I think that you'll find that that is really fun to do. So thank you for everything you've done in this course. You worked so hard. You made it so far, and I'm so very proud of you. Best wishes to you as you journey on in your educational endeavors. I know that a lot of you have some really good, amazing things coming up, and so I wanted to wish you luck and thank you so much for an awesome time in this class.